Hi, my name is Erica Robinson, and this is the Appy Hour presentation, and Speech Blubs is the technology resource that I chose. And so in part one is the collaborative research and summary / fact sheet. So my partner was Caitlin Joe, and we came up with 16 different technology resources. So right here is a summary of the names of each resource, and they're numbered in the middle, 1 through 16, and then the purpose of them. So here we have on the left side, it's numbered 1 all the way down. There's a couple slides to number 16. So in this fact sheet, we have inputted information, so the name of the technology resource, how much it costs for personal use, how much it costs for a school license, and then the description of the technology, which students benefit, how it assists instruction, how it assists assessment, and how it assists engagement. So on the first slide, we have right here we have 1 through 5, then we have 6 through 11, and then 12 through 16. And this will also be attached in the discussion. So, getting right into it, what is Speech Blubs and how much does it cost, which students benefit, how it assists, and Speech Blubs in action. So what is Speech Blubs? Speech Blubs is a voice-controlled speech therapy app, and it helps students learn sounds, words, and sentence structure. It also has really cool features, which I will cover later on, but it incorporates fun activities, it has songs, numbers, it includes animals, and a lot of other activities within it. So how much does it cost? So Speech Blub costs for personal use, it's $15 or $14.49 monthly, and then annually to pay for the year it's $59.99. So I did call to find out how much it would be for a school license, and they did say they would need additional information. So depending on the school size, that's how, and how many devices, that's how they would predict the cost for a school license. So which students benefit? So with Speech Blubs, students who have a speech delay, children with apraxia of speech, autism, Down syndrome, ADHD, and sensory processing disorders. And Speech Blub is also offered in English, Spanish, French, and in Portuguese. And how it assists. So it assists in instruction, and Speech Blub can be used when teaching early sounds, phonemic awareness, and phonics, live video demonstrations through the app. So with instruction, a great way I was thinking to utilize this is if you have it on your website, so open on your browser, and if you can cast it onto your smartboard, and then all the students can participate within it and can repeat the words that are being spoken or the sounds. So I was thinking that would be a great tool to use for instruction. And then in assessment, right when you download the app or you sign up for it online, you automatically do an assessment on your student, on your child. And so then it roadmaps how the whole program will work for your child / student. And it's a great tool, I believe, to use for IEP to see if those students are reaching their speech goals. So just keeping that in mind. And then engagement in the classroom, Speech Blubs has taken on an interactive approach by providing face filters and video modeling, and students can respond and engage through animation filters. And so Speech Blub was developed and had in mind over 1,000 speech language pathologists who made sure the app is equipped with all the necessary tools to improve the student's child's speech. And then you can download it with on the website. You can just sign up through there, or you can download it on an iPhone or an Android and any of those types of devices. And then Some of the special features that it incorporates is it is voice controlled. It speaks through video modeling, face filters, and speech recognition. So I just have a quick clip right here. So that's just a very short clip, but they also, there's little tricks in there that you can click on that helps you with songs, and the child can repeat the songs. And so it's just a fun app to use with a child or your student. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me and listening to the technology.